My life is a constant journey around the world, an ongoing non-stop. Every place has its charm, each city its melody. But there is a place to which I always desire to return. It's in Palo Alto, where I find the tranquility I need to recharge my batteries. When the routine becomes chaos, this place of the world offers the calm that my spirit needs. The echoes of the city fade away, and here, in Marbella, time seems to dance to my rhythm. It's just me, the sound of the sea, the sun on my skin. Marbella embraces me with its light, its air, its sea. Here each sunrise is a symphony of colors, and each sunset a canvas of peace. In every corner, I find a piece of my soul, a part of me that only awakens here. That's why I can't imagine a better destination. And now that I've finally found my place, I'm here creating my dream, my refuge, my home. You won't believe it. This place is a total escape of my hectic and crazy life. It's where the world hits on pause. It's where I can breathe, dream, recharge, and just be myself. I found my place, and I invite you all to discover yours. Because after all, isn't life too short not to live it to the fullest?